Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create infinite transitions for your clips or photos in CapCut. So here, what you need to do is just add your clips or photos like this. I add 5 photos, and after that you can just click on this transition box in between the clips or photos, and then click on the camera category, then swipe left until you find the infinite transitions option. Okay, this one, I'm going to choose the infinite one and set the duration all the way like this, and after that click on apply to all. Click on check icon, and this will be the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.